Hey guys, what's going on? All right, so I have some glasses in front of me, and so this is my assignment for you, with your folks' permission, of course, to get some glasses and see if you can put them in order of lowest to highest. So right now I have three in front of me. I'll move this so you can see a little better. So these are the three I'm talking about. And I've already done these. Well, that sounds a little different now. But those are super close together. So I may want to add some more water to this. So I have, well, there are two different glasses here. I have some curvy ones and I have a straight one. And so I have, let's see, let's set these aside. Here's my curvy one. And here's my straight one. Neither of these two have water in them. So I want you to tell me which one is higher and which one is lower. See again? Alright, so which one do you think is lower? You can leave it in the comments. And I know I'm going to forget to say this at the end of the video. I'm going to try to be cool and everything. So don't forget to like and subscribe. So, comment which one's lower, the straight one or the curvy one. Lower, remember? Not higher. Or you can put both. You can put straight is either lower or higher, and then you can put curvy is lower or higher. Whatever you want to do. So, and also, let's see. So put the curvy or the straight one over there. These are three curvy ones. No water in them. They all have pretty much the same pitch. So that's, I mean, that would be helpful. But if you don't have that capability, you can get just a bunch of random ones. But they probably should be close in pitch together. All right, so what I have here, this is a curvy one with no water in it. And I'll tell you about the post-it notes at the end. This is a curvy one with water in it. So I went from low to high. Let's try to clean the shot up here a little bit. So as you add water, the pitch is going to increase, to go up. So you can do that. If you have a set of the same glasses, you can do that. Add more water. I'm going to pause this video and then come back. Oh, I'll tell you what I did. Can you see there? I put post-it notes and wrote the letter it is. And how did I figure out that letter? I downloaded a piano app, and let's see, I said it was, that's not what I wanted. So that's pretty close to that note. So I'm playing this on the piano, and then I went up to that note, and then where's my other one? Oh, this was the lower one. Here we go. So it's kind of close to that. So that's what I'm using. It's a free piano app. I think it was Piano for iPhone, and there's one for Droid. I'm using my Droid to record right now. That's why I can't use that piano one. But there are a lot of free piano apps. And this says E6 on it. It's where I started. So they're obviously pretty high notes, right? So, and if you can't figure that out and figure out matching, just get them in order of highest to lowest. And let's see, try to do at least 5 in an order of high to low. See what you think. And you can, I don't know, can you send me a video back? How do you do that? Do you have a YouTube channel? If that's okay with your parents? All right, so try to do that. If you can't video it, no big deal. All right, I'm going to hit pause, and then I'm going to try to figure out all of these, and then I'll come back. All right, so I'm back. Oh, let me get my coffee cup out of the way. I figured out something crazy. That when you add water, at least with my curved cups, when you add water at the bottom a little bit, it raises in pitch, but once you hit a certain point, it starts going down. I don't know if that's because it's curved. Well, let's try it out with this one. So, let's see here. About the same. starting to lower. I bet it is something to do with the curved glasses. So if you don't have curved glasses, you don't have to worry about it. All you have to remember is that when you add water, it goes down. This is something cool I found. Check this out. That's just something fun, right? Alright, so what I have done so far is basically just have a lot of fun messing around. I don't think let me smooth my salt and pepper shaker. Let's see if, yeah. I need to change this one right here. This one's too high. And then that's a B flat. I mean, we'll have to make a C. So we'll put this here. Right now we are having an F major scale. So F, G, A. This needs to be a B flat, not a B. Remember when we put the B flats? And we'll have to change that one definitely. D, E, so La, So, Mi. Okay, so I got some measuring spoons out. And we are going to make this a B down to a B flat. So if we lower the pitch in glasses, fart. Oh wait, I'm still recording. All right, I looked up here and I didn't think that I was recording. But anyway, good. Now I don't have to say that again. We need to lower this pitch, so that means we're going to either raise or lower the water. It's backwards. So we want to add water to lower the pitch. So I'm going to take my piano app, and let's see here. What hand do I want to use? I'm going to use my left hand to play the piano. So we've got about that. So we want to add to make it lower to this sound. Nope, still too high. Oops, wrong note. We're getting closer. It sounds like it's going up in pitch. Maybe it's the other curve. Ah, there we go. I'm going to add just a little bit more. See if that changes. Not yet. Oops, wrong note. Well, I think we're getting closer. I don't know if you can hear it on there, but there's waves and the differences of the sound. And when those waves slow down, then it means you're getting closer. Let's see if we can hear the waves. They're pretty fast. I'm going to add a little bit more. Oops. I think I've gone too far now, so I'm going to take some out. It's not too bad. Sounds a little too low still, to me. I think we're getting there. Ah, that's good. Let's see how our scale sounds now. And you'll notice that I'm using an ink pen, and there's a rubber grip on the end, and that's what I'm hitting the glasses with. In my mind, that makes it safer and easier for the glasses. I also saw some electrical tape in my house. If you don't have anything with a rubber end on the end like that, you could probably like take some duct tape or electrical tape, or and tape it over something hard, so that way it's not as strong. I was using this dry erase marker for a little while, and that's, I mean, not too bad, but I would really recommend something with a rubber or a cushiony end to it. Or here's a little something leather. That doesn't work so well. Anyway, that's that. Oh, we don't have a C. We need to make a C. Let's see, how many minutes am I? We can keep going. C, why not? So these are two curved glasses, but I think they're really pretty much pretty much similar. And you can see, hopefully you can see here. Where's this? This is it. Oh, spin you around just, oops, a little bit more. And hopefully you can see that this one is almost up to the top. And then the water level comes down just a hair. And then it comes down a little more and a little more. And this is the one we need to fix. And then I'll probably have to try to get these a little closer together so it fits in my camera. That one will go, I'm going to pull it there. And I'm going to turn mine around so I hit like on the belly part of this. That's where I want to play because it's just easier to play. But you probably don't have curved glasses, so that's fine. And also I made an adjustment with my post-it notes. Instead of putting them on the bottom, I'm just setting them in front so I could see them easier. I thought it'd be all cool, you know, and put them underneath. All right, so let's see. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. That's pretty good. We need to make, what's this? So, all right. Let's see, and so is C right now. So where will we want our water level to be? Somewhere between this water level and this water level, right? So let's just take a guess. Right in the middle. All right. Now, let me think here. These are two curved glasses, and this one's a straight one, so that may affect it a little bit. But let's just see where we are. It's in the ballpark. Let's see. I'm going to get, so we want to see. Let me make sure I'm on the right. So do you think this glass note is higher or lower than the piano note? Listen. It's lower. So that means we need to add or take water away. If we want to make this, I forget what I wanted to do. We want to make this higher. So what do we need to do? Take water away. All right, so I'm going to get my measuring cup out here. And do that, and we want to make it C. That's getting close. I'm not going to take as much out this time. Keep going, keep going. Ooh, I think we're getting closer. Oh, I should have. Ooh, I think I'm, nope, we're still a little lower. Bum, bum. Ooh, I think we're getting closer. Yep, we're getting closer still, but still I think we're a little too low. You hear those waves? Let's see if we can get those waves to slow down. Ooh, that's perfect, isn't it? Listen. Or it's really, really super close to perfect. All right, let's play our entire scale now, starting with Do. And I think the So sounds a little different because it is a straight glass. Sounds a little stronger. I'm going to move it in there. Maybe just because it was out closer to my ear. All right, so there we go. Now we can play really any song we want to. Let's see. There you go, and you can test it out like that. You guys are pretty good with mi, re, do, singing like that. And then let's see, so, mi, so, mi, so, mi. What about la, so, mi? And let's see, what is, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, la, ti, do. So there you go. There's your assignment. Oops. I'm still not... I don't know if I agree with that B flat or not, but I won't keep going on and on. Maybe I'll adjust that a little bit myself. But yeah, So make sure your phone isn't close to your water well, or just be really careful because I got it in there. It should be fine. Yeah. So that's all for now. So how many glasses do we have here? There are 8. Oh, can you? Oh yeah, you can see. You can see them all good. So get 8 glasses, and it would help if you made them all the same. Now, notice what I did with this one. This is a straight one. I found. You probably can't see it. Let's see. I'll move it to the middle, maybe. Move this one out of the way, and I'll hold this behind it. So I took my dry erase marker and wrote. I think that's an A. Yep, it looks like a weird because it's reversed. A, G, and then that top one's F. So that way it's an easy point for me. And I really could go ahead and write on all these, and I may do that. So just use a dry erase marker, if you have one, or a Crayola marker or something like that. If you use a Sharpie or a permanent marker, you could probably still wipe it off, I would say, with like rubbing alcohol or something. But ask your folks before you do any of this, because the last thing you want is to somebody come home from work and find all the glasses are out and you can't drink anything for dinner. Or even worse, that they're broken. So anyway, have fun with that. Yeah. That's all for this one.